Good morning, student. Welcome to Smart Classes India. Today, I will start training on Excel 2016. So, first of all, to start the Excel 2016, we move to the Start button. Okay. Then first move to the Start button. Then here we can search Excel. Okay. Or you will find the Excel option is here, and we have to click on the Excel icon button. After clicking the Excel icon button, the Excel user interface will appear. See, I'm going to let you know again. Or here you can find the Excel icon. You have to click on the Excel, and the Excel user interface will appear. And this is the minimize option, this is the maximize option, and this is the close options. Okay, and we have to click on the maximize options. Then we will move to the section one by one. See what you will get here. In the home option, we have to find a blank worksheet. We have to click on the blank worksheet. Okay, then the interface will appear. We will find the file options. Okay, and home tab, insert tab, draw tab, page layout tab, formula tab, data tab, review tab, and view tab. So today we will learn about the file menu and what is its functions, how we can able to know each options. So after clicking the file option, here is the menu is the new. New means to start a new worksheet or new document. So whenever you click on a new, then new blank workbook will appear. And in the below, we will find lot of templates are there. So here we will click on the blank workbook. So this is the function of the new options. Whenever you click on the new options, a new book will be appear. See, in the book 2 is here. Prior to that, we have already opened book 1. I am going to close it. My book 1 option is here. Second thing is that suppose you want to open an existing file. Okay, open one to existing file. Then we click on open options. Open, click open options. Whatever you have done earlier will appear. See, in this online classes, Khurdha, and suppose you want to open this option, you have to click on one of the file. Okay, you click on the one of the file, and whenever you click one of the file, then that file will be open. Okay, see, I clicked on and the file is removed. That's why it's not going to open. I'm opening another file here. Suppose this is the Nuapada data. I'm just going to open it. This file is not here available also here. Okay. File is not available. Online class, this class. See, course schedule. See, this file is available. Okay, this file is available. That's why it appears. So like this, if you want to open an existing file, you have to click on open file. Then we will go to the option save option. Suppose we write something here, that is serial number and name, mobile, then email ID. Suppose we want to save this format. Okay, then home, and we have to make the all border. Okay, suppose you want to save this book, then what we will do, we click on the save options, and we click on the save options, then we will find where we can save the file. Then we have to click on the browse options. After clicking on the browse option, the save as dialog box will appear, and we have to click the three things here: the name of the file, and the save as type, and location. Three options we have to choose. First of all, I have to give the name of the file, that is MANOJ Manoj 1. I just simply give the name of the file and save as type Excel 97 2003 workbook, and I choose the location. Suppose I choose the location on the desktop, and in the desktop I will give the name of the file as Manoj 1. Then I saved. See, whenever I save, the title bar also will appear Manoj 1. And C, so whenever I minimize, we will find my file here. See, I'm once again I'm going to save it. Manoj 1 is here. See, Manoj 1 is here. Okay, Manoj 1 is here, is already saved. Then suppose if you want to modify a file, if you want to write something a file like this, name, email ID, and just I give the color here. Okay, I gave the color here. I choose the address 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 remark. Another two field I added, and I also want to save this file in the another format or another file name. Then I have to choose save as file. Okay, then I click on the save as file and choose the browse options. Okay, and where I can set the 3D objects. In 3D objects locations, Manoj 1 file is set. Again, I changed to the Manoj 2 files. Okay, and the file save as type 97 2003. Why we are going to set Excel 97 2003? Because from the Excel 97 to 2019, whatever the version is there, this Excel file will open in every version. That's why we are choosing Excel 97 2003 save as type. Okay, here prior to that our file name was Manoj 1, and again I rename the file Manoj 2. Location is 3D objects. Then I said okay, then this dialog box will appear because we are saving in the compactable mode. That's why this dialog box will appear. Then you click on the continue button. Okay, then I close these things. Where I can find Manoj 3D options. Where is the 3D options? Is there? Just a minute. 3D options I have to find. 3D options, 3D objects, it's here. See, here the 3D objects. Here my file, first file was Manoj 1 and my second file was Manoj 2. Whenever I click on the Manoj 1, whatever the data or information I have inserted in the file 1, it will appear. Okay. Next thing is that suppose you want to open Manoj file 2, then whatever the additional information we have added in Manoj 2 option, then these things will appear. Okay. I think you understood what is the difference between save and save as. Then go to print options. Then go to print option. Suppose you want to print a file, then we click on the print options. Whenever you print, the print dialog box will appear. It will give some information here. This is the print option. This is copies. How many copies you want to print? Suppose you want to copy 2 number of, then we have to 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then after that, we will choose our printer locations. If your printer is connected with then the options will be appear here. Otherwise, you will choose the Microsoft Print to PDF options if you want to make it as PDF. Okay. Next in that, we have to go to the setting options. We have to print active sheets, print entire workbook, or print the selections. 3 things is there. Okay. Then other options are there. Your paper size is there. Various type of paper size like A3, A4, A5, B size, B legal paper, letter. Various type of paper size are available. Margin also available. You have to choose your margin accordingly. Okay. Then a scaling option is there. You have to choose. After finalizing, you will click on the print options. The print will be appear. Okay. Next thing, we will choose. Go to the share option. How we can share our file or document? See, in the share option, if you want to click the share option, various share options are there. Okay, you can share our file through the cloud option or drive option, Excel workbook option, or PDF options. Okay. Next thing is that suppose if you want to export our file. Export means if you want to make our file as PDF or XPS. PDF stands for portable document format. If you want to make a document the PDF file, we have to click on the create PDF file. Okay, then publish as PDF to XPS dialog box will appear. We have to change our name. If you want to keep the same name, that is no problem. Monos 2, because in Monos 2 Excel file is there. Also, if you want to give the same name on the PDF, save as type PDF, also the file will be there. But no Excel in the same name, two Excel file name cannot be, you cannot create. But in a different format type, you can create the same name. Okay, so my file type is PDF in the same format, so I can publish or create the PDF file. My file name is Monos2, file type is PDF. Again, I have to choose the location. The location, prior to the location are 3D objects. I click on the 3D objects and publish. Your publish option button is there. I have to click on the publish option. Okay, then I have to close these options. I have to go to the Monos 2. This is the, and whenever you click, see the .pdf, the file is converted to the PDF file. See, whatever I have designed, or whatever I have drawn, or generate the file here, the name or the table is here in the PDF file format. Okay. Then click on the Monos 2 Excel file options. Again, the format is open. We have to go to the already export, publish. Okay, publish option is there. Publish to Power BI, that is the advanced options, upload in the cloud format. And this is the close options. Suppose you want to close option, the worksheet will be closed, not the whole worksheet will be closed, only the worksheet will be closed, and the above tools and icons will be deactivated. Okay, and if you want to close the whole worksheet, then we have to click on this close button. After clicking on the close button, the Excel will be closed. Okay, I think you understood. We have discussed on the home, new options, open, how to open a file, and another option is the info options. See, whenever you click the info options, various icons are there, various options are there. This is the compatible to board, this is the protect workbook, how you can able to protect this workbook, this is the versions, and this is the properties. Properties means what is the size of the file, what is the title of the file, and how, when it was created. Last modified is today at 11:53 AM. When it was created, who is the author of the document. Okay, and where the file location. If you forget where your file is located, by clicking the open file location, the file is be created. And another very interesting thing I'm going to let you know, that suppose you want to protect your file, then how can you able to protect that nobody can edit your file? Okay, then you have to click on the file protect options. Okay, then here is the encrypt with the password options. So whenever click on encrypt password option, the password dialog box will appear, and you have to click on the password. Suppose I give the password 123. Okay, again it will ask the re-enter the password. Again I click on the 123 button, then okay. Okay, after entering the password, you have to remember, you definitely must have to save the file, otherwise the password will not be work. I click on the password button, click the name Monos 2 options. Okay, otherwise you can choose the another name option also, no problem. Suppose I click on the Monos 3 options. Okay, my file name is Monos 3, then I save these options, then I click. See, I closed. Suppose another person came and opened my file Monos 3. Okay, another file come again. Whenever he open my file, the file will ask the password. After entering the password, if he know the password, then he or she can able to open my file. If she doesn't know my password, then she cannot open my file. Suppose the other person gave the wrong password, like 125 like this, or the whole file. Then the dialog box will appear that the password you supplied is not correct. Verify the password like this. Again, suppose he knows the correct password, then what will happen? It will open and 123, the right password after entering the workbook will be open. Okay. So we discuss on the info option. In info option, we will find how to protect your workbook. And second thing is that if you want to remove the password, again we have to click encrypt with the password, and you just remove all the password options. Okay, you have to erase the password, then click on OK. Whatever you did, again you have to save. If you do not save, again the Excel will ask about the password. Okay, so you remove the password. After that, by pressing the Control S button, you can able to save the Excel file. Okay. See, we are going to test it out whether it is asking about the password or not. We have to open the 103 Excel file. See, it is not asking about the password because we have removed already the password here. Okay. And again, we have to move the info option. Already I have informed you about the protected, check for issues, version, manage workbook, properties, all these things I have already discussed. I have discussed on the how to save the document and how we can the save as a document, save and save as. Then how to share the document, how to export the document. Whenever click export the document, it will have to the PDF and XPS file. You have to publish the document, then close options. Then last thing is accounting option, account option. In account option, we will find a lot of information here. Who is the owner of this account? Here 8477 is the username. Okay, and office background is cloud. See, cloud option is here. Okay, suppose you change to calligraphy. See, again the options will be changed. Then lunchbox. See, whenever I'm just moving the cursor point to the different options is there, on the above side is going to be changed. The star options, stews, tree rings, everything is there. Okay. Second thing, second option is that office theme. Office theme here is colorful. Suppose you want to click on dark gray. See, I'm going to let you know that my Excel now is very colorful. It is yellow color, it's red color. The color options are there. Suppose you are moving the accounting options and choose the color theme to colorful to dark color, dark gray. See how the total color is changed. Can you see? This is completely dark, right? Again, another option say there, account options. Again, we change to dark to black, only black, only the blacks is there. Again, we change white, only white background is there. Then, so by default, we have to choose the colorful options. Okay. Then what are the connected device services are there? It will appear. The Microsoft subscriptions, what the subscriptions you have added here, Microsoft Office apps and enterprises. Okay. And what the facilities is there, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Notebook is there. Office update about the Excel, what is new. So this is all about your account option, where you will find all the account related information is here. Okay. And finally, one option is there, options. In last we find the options. Option means it is the core or heart of the Excel. You do not have to modify or do not change anything here. If you change and you forget, then you will face the problem. See, what is the thing is there, general condition, you will find a lot of things are there. Okay. Okay, if you want to change your font, body font, you can change here. By default, your font size is 11. Okay, suppose you change it to 14, then whenever you start the Excel file, the default font size will be 14. Okay, then the size is 11. Okay, then in the formula, you have to change your formula, automatic, manual, is like this. The formula, all the check box are there. Okay, the data options are there. And the proofing option there, proofing means spelling and grammar. Proofing option is there. Automatically it will check the lower case, the upper case, everything is there. Then how we can able to save? Auto save option is already activated by the 10 minutes. The Excel will save your data and within the 10 minutes, and its location is also there. Okay, everything is there. There's language, you do not have to change the language. If you change the language, you will face the problem. So never try to change the language. Then accessibility issues is there. Advanced option is there. Okay, and customer ribbon is there. Suppose you want to add a new tools to your menu bar, then you can just click here and add option. Then automatically it will add to the main tab. Okay, so quick access toolbar is also here. Okay, if you want to see where is the quick access toolbar, here is the quick access toolbar. If you want the quick access toolbar, by suppose most of the times you are needing to cut options, or suppose the cut option is there, then you have to click on the cut option, add here. Whenever click on the add here, the cut option automatically will be added here, and then okay. Okay, then see how the cut icon is already appeared. Okay, so this was all about your file options, and we have discussed all these things. I hope you will enjoy, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me on the comment box. Thank you.